As Gibraltar experiences a surge of over 100 new COVID cases in just 1 week, the government has announced a 7 p.m. curfew for all establishments serving food or alcohol, in a bid to curb the spread of the virus, especially before families meet up over Christmas. Last orders must be taken by 6 p.m. Delivery and takeaway services can continue, and hotel guests can be served at hotel restaurants. The consumption of alcohol in public places outside licensed premises is banned between 7 p.m. and 8 a.m., except on Christmas Eve, when the ban begins earlier at 4 p.m.
It is extremely difficult for us to have to announce these measures today, particularly as we enter the final week leading up to the Christmas holidays, and we realize that they will come as a great disappointment to many. But having discussed the matter today with the Chief Minister and also with the Leader of the Opposition, who has also agreed to these measures, we all feel that at this juncture, given the prevalence of the virus, it is the right thing to do for the safety of us all.
Samantha Sacramento said there would likely be new restrictions announced next week if the government is so advised. She called on people to maintain social distancing and to follow public health guidance on hand washing and mask wearing. For his part, the GSD's Elliot Phillips said the party appreciates it must have been a difficult decision and supports the measures.
One of the things that I would ask the government to do is look at ways in which we can compensate those restaurants up and downtown and in every part of Gibraltar that will, with 3.5 hours, suffer fairly significant losses over the next couple of days. And I'm sure they will understand the Minister's statement, which is supported by members opposite in this House, but it does bring into sharp focus the level of support that may well be required and targeted support for parts of our business community that will suffer considerable losses over the festive season.
In a statement, Together Gibraltar leader Marlene Hassan Naon said her party also agrees with the measures implemented by the government. She said there was no need for Gibraltar to have the more lax restrictions the Chief Minister boasts about internationally, adding it would rather have harsh restrictions and easy-to-follow guidelines and suffer less from the impact of the virus. Ms. Hassan Naon said the response was necessary, as is an emergency aid package for the hospitality sector on whom these measures have been sprung.